Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we will listen to a simple story in English. Relax, listen, and enjoy. The quiet evening in the city. Anna lives in a small apartment. Her apartment is in a big city. The city is busy and loud, but Anna likes her home. Her apartment is on the third floor. There is a small kitchen, a bedroom, and a living room. There is a big window in the living room. Anna likes this window. She can see the street, she can see people and cars. Every morning, Anna wakes up early. She opens her eyes and looks at the light. The sun comes into her room. Anna gets up and goes to the kitchen. She makes tea. Sometimes she eats bread with butter. She sits at the table. She drinks her tea slowly. She feels calm. After breakfast, Anna goes to work. She walks to the bus stop. She takes the bus. The bus is often full. People talk, look at their phones, or listen to music. Anna looks out the window. She likes to watch the city. She sees shops, trees, and people. After work, Anna comes home. She feels a little tired. One evening, Anna comes home early. The sky is orange and pink. The city is still busy, but it feels softer. Anna opens the window. She sits near it. She hears the sounds of the city. Cars move slowly. People talk quietly. Anna takes a book. She wants to read. But then she hears something new, a soft sound. She listens. It is music. Anna looks outside. She sees a man on the street. He plays a guitar. The music is slow and calm. It is very beautiful. Anna smiles. She closes her eyes for a moment. The music makes her feel relaxed. She does not read her book. She just listens. The man plays the guitar for a long time. People stop and listen. Some people smile. Some people take photos. Anna watches from her window. She feels happy. After some time, the music stops. The man puts his guitar in a bag. He looks around, then he walks away. The street is quiet again. Anna feels something different. She feels calm, but also a little sad. The music was very nice, she says softly. The next day, Anna goes to work again. The day is long. In the evening, she comes home. She opens the window again. She waits. She listens. But there is no music, only cars and voices. Anna feels a little disappointed. Days go by. Anna works, eats, and rests. Every evening, she opens the window. Every evening, she listens. One evening, it rains. The sky is gray. The streets are wet. Anna sits by the window. She drinks tea. The rain makes soft sounds. Tap, tap, tap. Anna feels calm again. Then she hears something. A soft sound. Music. Anna looks outside quickly. The man is there again. He stands in the rain. He plays the guitar. The music is slow and beautiful. Anna smiles. She feels very happy. He is back, she says. People stop again. Some stand with umbrellas. The man plays and smiles. Anna opens her window more. She listens carefully. The rain and the music mix together. It is a perfect moment. Anna takes her phone. She records the music. She wants to remember this moment. After some time, the music stops again. The man looks up. For a second, he looks at Anna. He smiles. Anna smiles back. He waves his hand. Then he walks away. The street is quiet again. Anna feels warm inside. Now, every evening, Anna opens the window. Sometimes there is music. Sometimes there is only the city. but Anna always listens. Because now she knows beautiful moments can come at any time. You just need to stop and listen. Thank you for listening. Relax, breathe, and enjoy your day.